So what's going on, guys? DIY Dan here, and this is another episode of Backroads, Arizona. In this video, I had a carbon monoxide smoke alarm go bad in my toy hauler. I'm going to go over how to replace it and show you a couple things you might not know about these alarms as well. So let's get to it. So this is the one I ended up getting off of Amazon, and it was about $30 to $35, I believe. And it is battery operated only because we are getting it obviously to go in a toy hauler. So this is the new alarm, and to disconnect the base so you can mount it, all you do is twist it counterclockwise and it will separate out. So right here, I'm just going to mount the base where the old alarm was located in the toy hauler. So I'm unscrewing the other base because it was not the same, and reinstalling the new base using the same holes. Once I got the base in place, I went ahead and put the batteries in the alarm. The side compartment for the batteries just pulls out, and there is a direction on which way the batteries go, and there's a picture that shows that. Once you get the batteries in and push it back into place, it might beep at you. I went ahead and pressed the test button as well to make sure the batteries were incorrect and the alarm did sound. While testing, you should see the smoke and the CO LEDs light up to tell you that they are both working. So recently I had to do a couple alarms inside my house as well, and there is a lifespan to these alarms. You'll notice on the back of this one, it's got an alarm guide to tell you what means what, and I was getting a 5 chirps a minute on one of the ones in my house, and that's basically end of life. And that was the same alarm I was getting on the old one in the toy hauler, which is why I'm replacing it. So then all that's left to do is push it up into place and turn it clockwise to lock it in. And then I went ahead and pressed the test one more time to make sure it was working. So if you need a little bit more information as far as diagnosing a problem with these alarms, I do have another video on the ones I did in my house, and I'll post it at the end of this video. The only difference between this one and the ones in the house are the ones in the house have 120 volts going to them as well. But as far as the diagnostics and fixing them is about the same. So it might help you out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you some good information. If so, hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My whole concept of my channel is to help you guys save money by doing it yourselves without wasting your time. Hope to see you next time. Have a good one. Later.